Hi everyone, good morning. This Kangs here, excited again in the morning. Yeah, guys, I'm going for boat ride. We are going to an island in Oman. It's called Dimaniyat. It's called the Dimaniyat Island. It's in Oman. It's like 1 hour boat ride to the island. So I'm very excited. So yeah, I'm just some here near. I just dropped by to have some sandwich from this restaurant. I'm in the gas station or convenience store for those who live in the West. Okay, so I just want to have a cup of tea and a sandwich, and I'm good to go. So stay there and get ready for the exciting journey on the boat. I think we're gonna be using a dhow. So yeah, stay along, watch, and make sure you watch until the end so you can get everything. So here we are. Now it's have officially begun. This is the boat. It's a dhow. So that's look like it now. So everyone is there registering.
Hi, what's up, my party people? Welcome everybody to the All White Yacht Party. It's your host, Scholar.
What's up, my people? Welcome to White Yacht Party. This is DJ T.
Hey yo, it's your boy Willie. Welcome to the All White Yacht Party in Oman. Feel free. YOLO.
Yes. Hey Captain, what do we expect from the trip?
Captain, sorry, tell him.
1.5 hours to Dimaniyat.
Okay.
And, weather is good, as you see.
Uh-huh.
It's full of fun and enjoyment.
Thank you.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, no, this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, some loose shit, a stupid myth.
You can do anything, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Let's go. Hey. Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try a favor. Don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions. this is such a land. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Hi guys, now we are in Dimaniyat, and these are some of the things that I guess you should know, and I'll read them as they are written. Do not camping except at designated site and time. Okay, that's the first one. The second one is no entry without permission. Okay, the other one is do not disturb the wildlife and nests. Do not litter, keep place clean. The other one is do not leave nets on the beach. We have switch off lights and do not make noise. I guess that is during the night. The other one is do not accept at designated site and time. I guess this is because during the night, yeah. And do not anchor on a coral. I don't know what that's coral relief. I don't know what's that. I have no idea. So those are some of the rules that I guess you should know. Right here, it's a beautiful sandy beach, white sand beach. As you can see, beautiful. I'll take you on the other side and you're gonna see how it's look like. We came from this side. These are our boats and yachts that we used to come here, over there, as you can see. So I'm trying to find my way to the other side of the island to see what's on the other side. So stay with me as I take you to the other side. Yeah. It should be after this hill. Wow, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Majestic. Look at that, look at that. That's beautiful. Wow. From this side, wow man, this place is very beautiful. Look at the rock formation.